Hey guys, a warm welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Polk Audio MC60 6.5-inch two-way in-ceiling speaker. I spent time looking through information available across the internet to determine whether this in-ceiling speaker is actually worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that stands out is Polk's dynamic balance technology. This design helps reduce distortion while improving overall sound clarity, allowing music and movie soundtracks to remain detailed even at higher volumes. Combined with the 6.5-inch mid-range driver, the MC60 produces balanced sound with warm mids and respectable bass for an in-ceiling speaker of this size. Another important feature is the 0.75-inch swivel tweeter. Unlike fixed tweeters found in many entry-level ceiling speakers, this one can be aimed toward your listening position. That gives you better control over high-frequency performance and helps create a more focused listening experience, especially if the speakers aren't installed directly above where you'll be sitting. One area where the MC60 really shines is versatility. Its moisture-resistant construction includes rust-proof, stainless steel hardware and durable butyl rubber surrounds, making it suitable for bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, sunrooms, and even covered patios. Many standard ceiling speakers aren't designed to handle humid environments, so this added durability makes the MC60 a practical option for more areas around the house. Sound coverage is another strength. The speaker is engineered to produce wide, even dispersion, helping fill larger rooms with consistent audio instead of creating noticeable dead spots. Whether you're listening to music while cooking, entertaining guests, or enjoying background audio throughout your home, the MC60 provides a natural and immersive listening experience. Installation is also designed to be homeowner-friendly. Polk includes a precision flange and perfect fit templates to simplify the cutout process, while rotating cams securely lock the speaker into the ceiling without requiring complicated assembly. For new construction, optional pre-construction brackets are also available, making installation even easier during home renovations. Build quality is exactly what you'd expect from Polk Audio. The company has earned a strong reputation for producing dependable home speakers, and the MC60 continues that tradition with quality materials and solid engineering. Once installed, it offers a clean, nearly invisible appearance that blends nicely into most ceilings while delivering impressive audio performance. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. This listing includes a single speaker, so if you're building a stereo system, you'll need to purchase a second unit. Since it's a passive speaker, you'll also need an AV receiver or amplifier to power it. And while the bass performance is very good for a 6.5-inch ceiling speaker, dedicated home theater enthusiasts may still want to pair it with a subwoofer for deeper low-frequency impact. So after researching customer reviews, expert opinions, and comparing it with other in-ceiling speakers available today, would I recommend buying the Polk Audio MC60? Yes, absolutely. If you're looking for a reliable in-ceiling speaker with balanced sound, moisture-resistant construction, simple installation, and the trusted quality Polk Audio is known for, it's an excellent choice. It works particularly well for multi-room audio systems and homes where both appearance and performance matter. Overall, the Polk Audio MC60 delivers impressive sound quality, durable construction, and flexible installation in a compact design that fits naturally into almost any room. For homeowners wanting premium built-in audio without sacrificing space, it's definitely a speaker worth considering. If you'd like to check the latest price and current deals, click the link below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest, research-based reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.